So this is from Forever 21. नहीं, Forever 52 for Malic Blonde. Minimalist का Malic Blonde. Why I'm saying blonde? So yeah, but mostly I like and no. नहीं, ये तो मैंने बोल दिया. Skin care and facial care. Wow. He holds the curls. What's up, cuties? This is me, Nidhi. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are seeing this face for the first time, then go subscribe to my channel because I make videos related to fashion and beauty. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then this is my handle. You can go and follow me there as well. And for today's video, I have some of the products with me. So I have been using these products since a long time, and now I think it's time to review them because I'm very genuinely happy with those products and they are working really good for me, and these are on the affordable side. So we are gonna include the category below 600 max because everything is cheaper or I got on sale, so they are cheaper. So I'm gonna include everything and I'm gonna mention all the prices and links if I get, if it's not out of stock then I'll mention that. So okay, तो वीडियो के लिए मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे लिए हैं जो बालों के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं, लाइक हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड थोड़े से हैं जो स्किन के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं, एंड देन वी हैव सम मेकअप एज वेल. सो विदाउट एनी डिले चलो शुरू करते हैं. तो लेट्स बिगिन विद द हेयर केयर रेंज. तो देयर आर सम प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच आई हैव बीन यूजिंग सिंस लाइक 2017 और 18 या जब से लॉन्च हुआ है तब से. So first I'm gonna talk about this BBlunt का heat protector spray. So I have been using the variant which was black. इससे पहले I think ये same चीज़ black में आती थी. So that time I was using and it was in the cream form if I remember. So that I used a lot. Like I don't remember how many bottles I have used. So after that I recently got this one. एंड अभी बीच में कुछ तो ऑफर चल रहा था BBlunt का, लाइक बाय वन गेट वन. सो आई गॉट दीज टू प्रोडक्ट्स. सो दिस इज देयर हॉट शॉट होल्ड स्प्रे. सो व्हेन यू आर कर्लिंग योर हेयर एंड एवरीथिंग, तो दिस विल होल्ड दैट shape or curl for a longer time, and I really like this one as well. So let's talk about this one first. So in this one, which I really like first it's protecting the hair. इससे पहले I have been using L'Oreal का I don't know which bottle, orange color का bottle आता है ना, I will mention here. तो वो मैं use करती थी. That was really good. Then on the offer I got this one. I thought let's give it a try. You get bored with the one product and you feel like okay, let's try something new. So that's when the Kira was born to try this. So I got this one and the smell of this mist is amazing. Like I really enjoy the smell of this. Like it has such floral smell which is not really strong, but I really enjoy it when I spray on my hair. And after drying also, styling also, your hair smells so nice. So it is such a beautiful experience which I get after using this, and it doesn't harm your hair, so it's a plus. So I have been enjoying this one, and it has castor oil, so it's really good for your hair. The only drawback is that I don't like the spray because you know the mist spray, when you spray so it goes a little wider and it goes on all the hair, but this is a little thinner and sharper, so it goes only one point, which I don't like. I think अगर ये मिस्ट फॉर्म में होता, लाइक स्प्रेस का बेटर होता, तो ये अच्छे से पूरे बालों में अच्छे से स्प्रेड होता. अब ये एक ही डायरेक्शन में जाता, लाइक it's like पिचकारी होली की, तो it's like that. But I really like this product. So yeah, and it was originally for $4.99, which is like again very affordable. And I got buy one get one, so I got one product for free, absolutely free. So that was really amazing. So let's talk about this one now. Okay, I'm not a big fan of curling my hair. Mostly I keep my hair straight. Otherwise I do beachy waves, like overnight I'll braid my hair and then next morning I'll open them, so I get very nice beachy effect. So that's when I use this one a lot, because curling, I don't know, मुझे आता नहीं है या मुझसे होता नहीं है, so that is do another thing. But this has been my savior. Like, I have been using it a lot, and the smell of this spray also very nice, like quite similar, but it's very very light, but I like it a lot and it really does the job. तो आपके curls अगर आप कर रहे हो तो it won't go anywhere. You can trust this spray. Yeah, so I really enjoyed this, and it was originally for 599 rupees, but I got it for free, so yes. So yeah, and you just spray the generous amount, so it works really really good. For the next one, I think people have been aware and now talking about this, but I have been using this since a long time. This is my second bottle. This is Wishcare Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. So again, like, this is magic in a bottle. This is like very small quantity, I would say, in the price, but yeah, since it's working for me, I would pay for it. So it's a very chotu sa spray bottle, and it's like this much only, but it is literally the magic in one bottle. So I have been losing my hair a lot lately. If you see, I still have very less hair this side, but since I have been using this, it has stopped my hair fall like very nicely. Now I have very less hair fall, I would say. So because sometimes I forgot to use, let's be genuine, so I'm not using it continuously, because I think अगर मैं इसको continuously use करूँगी तो it will be more better. But since I forget, तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसका. मेमोरी के लिए भी कुछ आता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता. तो yeah, so I've been using this and it is amazing. If you are facing hair fall, then I think you should go for it. And it was originally for 999, but I got it in offer for 499 rupees. So it was such an amazing offer on Nykaa. So that's when I got it, and I don't regret it. So it has rice water, rosemary and vitamin E, which is really good for your hair. I know everyone knows about rosemary, so I don't have to repeat it again. Like, it's very good for your hair growth, so I think it's a very good hair serum for you. If you're having such problem, then I think you should try this. And you just have to spray 2-3 spray before bedtime, and next day you have to wash your hair. So after wash, I think you can see the major difference after using it for a while, and you can use it every day, and it's non-greasy, so it's completely tension free if you wanna go somewhere next day. And I think, yeah, you can try this. For the next product, I have Minimalist Ka Malac Bond Repair Complex 0.5% hair serum. And this is again something which I really enjoyed using. So basically it has coconut oil, argan oil, again very nourishing for your hair. Like, this you can't use on your roots, so this is for your hair. If you have frizzy hair at the bottom, then I think you can use this one. And I have been using every next morning, like when I have to wash. So bedtime पे I use that Wishcare wala root serum, and next morning before washing my hair, before 1 hour, I'll put this on my whole hair length, and then I wash my hair. So it's magic. Actually, when I use all these products, and then that time I can see the difference. And when I stop using all these products, my hair actually starts falling again. So I know the difference, that these are the products which are working for me. So yeah, it has really good ingredients, and it can be really good for your frizzy hair if you have. Then yeah, go for it. And I think it was for so it was for 499 rupees and I got it on offer for 474 rupees. So yeah, it's a good deal. Okay, next I would like to talk about one very random product which I got. So this is Milagro Natural Underarm Gel Brightening Cream. So I have been seeing these ads all over my Instagram again and again, and this made me buy. Okay, and I have very pigmented underarms, so I wanted to try something which is good and natural and जो मेरे अंडरआर्म्स को थोड़ा ब्राइटन होने में हेल्प भी करे. तो आई हैव बीन सीइंग द एड फॉर दिस वन एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके लेट्स ट्राई. एंड देन व्हेन आई went to the website and there was such good reviews for this one, so I went ahead and got this for myself. And if you see, I have been using it legitly, so it's already gone and the smell of this, it's very nice. Okay, so let's talk about how it's doing to my underarms. So I had very pigmented underarms, so which was a build-up of my childhood and everything, because during my teenage time I used a lot of wheat, like वो hair remover वाला cream आता था ना, तो वो मैंने काफ़ी use किया. उसके बाद से I think I have very pigmented underarms. Before I did not realize when I was going to school and everything, but now when I look this part of my skin, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत dark है and it looks very patchy. So I wanted to try this, and since I have been using this is my first step, by the way. I haven't used the second one, so but I want to try, so I will definitely buy another one. So since I have been using this one, I think my underarms gone very lighter, and you have to be really patient with this one because it works really slow. Because obviously if you have very light pigmentation, then I think it will be like if you use one bottle you will see the difference. But if you have like build up mere jaisa, so I think it will take a little time, but I have seen severe changes on my underarm pigmentation. So I'm really happy about this one, and I don't know about the ingredients yet because I have kept the box. Oh no, I have the box. Wait. And the good thing about this product, it has a very minimum ingredients. Like I can read this for you if you want. Astimadhu, amla, and tomato, papaya, neem, and aloe vera. That's it. I think this is amazing. I think if you're getting this transparency with the products, I think it's amazing. It has to be amazing. Like you can trust this blindly. So since then I have been using this and it has been game changer for me. So I got it during the sale. They had very good sale going on. Originally it's for 1150 rupees, but I got it for really less. So I don't exactly know, but I will mention in the video or in the description कि मैंने कितने का लिया था. So yeah, okay, in this category I think I have the last one is this one. I have been using Dr. Seed ka sunscreen, but I wanted to try something new and I got this one. Okay, so this is La Shield sunscreen gel, and this is for oily skin type. So this is just 50 gram. It was for 810 rupees, but I got it for cheaper, I guess. I'll check the Nykaa app and then I'll mention about this one. But this has been really good since then because Dr. Sheet वाला मैंने 2 ट्यूब लगाए हैं and वो amazing था. Like it has matte effect and everything. And surprisingly, this also has the same texture, same feel and everything similar to that one. So this has been really good. And yeah, I think me and my husband, we both use this one and we are very happy because we both are oily skin people, so we are eating this right now. Okay, so next move on to the makeup. So for the makeup, let's start with the base. So for the base, I think in the affordable category, I think this is such a game changer and it's such a affordable product. So if you want to buy some tint, then I think this is really affordable one. This is Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint with SPF 50. So I think in this heat, I think this is really good. Right now I'm wearing this and you can see the finish. It's quite natural and I really enjoy using this one. So I got it in the shade 08 and this gives a very soft and matte look. It's not completely like matte, as you can see. So if you are a oily skin girly, then I would say use a lot of powder on top of it, otherwise it will melt. So yeah, if you're looking for a good tint, then I think this is the product and it's very cheap. This is for 299 rupees only. So since my childhood, I have trusted Maybelline only for all my makeup. So yeah, I have acne prone skin, तो उनके सारे प्रोडक्ट मुझे बहुत अच्छे से फिट होते हैं. As the range says, fit me. It fits me very well. I don't get any breakouts or anything. So अगर मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता ना कौन से प्रोडक्ट पे इन्वेस्ट करें, like if I have to buy one foundation and really good price one and good finish one, I always go for Maybelline because I trust them blindly now. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this review and you trust them as well. Okay, so next I have my favorite category, which is blush. So for blush, I have one liquid and one powder blush. So for the first one, I have Insight ka Super Stay Cream Blush. So yeah, this is such chotu blush and it was originally for 210 rupees. वैसे ही cheap है, but I got it on discount for 200 rupees only and it is such pigmented. As it says super stay, it stays for a long time. So as you can see, I have worn this and my powder blush. So yeah, it's quite pigmented and very beautiful for brown skin, I think. Yeah, so if you are looking for a affordable blush which stays for a longer time, then I think this is the blush you should go for. This is very affordable and very pretty. Next up, I have powder blush. So if you have seen my videos, I have been talking about this blush a lot. Like I love this blush. This is from Forever 52 Blush Cheek Pop Blush in the shade Sweet Pink. And it is such a beautiful color and it's super pigmented. If you can see, it's so beautiful and look at the pigment. It's really beautiful and it spreads very nicely. So yeah, I'm enjoying using this and I got it long back, but I haven't used this one. But I think now I'm loving it and I'm not using any other blush now. I'm using this only. So you can trust me. I have a brow product, very random, but I'm enjoying this a lot. So this is Maybelline Tattoo Brow 3-day styling gel. So if you put this once, it will stay for 3 days. They promise this. So as you can see, I have very light eyebrows. I don't have very feathery and very long eyebrows. So I need that product to bring them to life. So yeah, before I have been using their pencil, but now I have switched into gel and I can say I'm really happy. You don't have to be like very precise, but it's very pigmented, so you have to be careful and it does the magic. You can see the difference in the video. Like it's really good and it keeps your eyebrows in place, so it won't go anywhere, it won't budge. even if you're sweating or you're in the rain, it will stay. So yeah, you can try this, and I'll mention the original price for this one. Next, I have few lipstick with me which are very affordable and they look really good on brown skin tone because I am a brown skin girly. So let's begin with the first one. So for the first one, I have this Paquet Timeless Matte Lipstick in the shade Nutty Doodle, and this is such a beautiful color. If you're looking for something pink and nude, this is what I'm wearing right now. So you can see it's very comfortable on lips, and only this part I'm not wearing any lipstick because it's really hard to remove because of this, I don't know, something I have. So I have avoided that part and I have lipstick from here to here. So if you can see the patch here, then please avoid. And let's talk about this. So I'm wearing this right now and it's not that long lasting. So if you are not comfortable wearing something which will come off easily, then I think you should skip this. But it will last for 6 to 8 hours, like very nicely. Like right now also it's not that much transfer proof, but if you eat something, then I think it will come off. So you have to reapply this, but it's such a beautiful color and it's very comfortable on the lips, and again it's very affordable and the color is very pretty. I love this color. And first you apply this, it's not that matte, it will be shiny and very watery consistency, but wait for a few minutes and it will dry to matte, like completely matte, and it will look as beautiful as a matte lipstick and it won't go anywhere if you're not eating anything. So this is my first lipstick, and then let's move on to these two Swiss Beauty lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, which are really pretty. So I have two shades with me. One is hot nude and one is natural cocoa. So natural cocoa is more brownish and brick tone ka brown color, and the hot nude is more pinkish nude color, and I think they both will look very nice on like fair skin tone and brown skin tone as well. So I think you can definitely go and try. These are only for 200 rupees. So I got them offline. I saw them on a store, like general store, and I was like, okay, let's try them, and I fell in love with these lipsticks. And these are only for 200 rupees, but it will last you for 8 to 10 hours, like depending on what you're eating. But still, if you eat, it won't go anywhere. So a little touch up can last you for like whole day and everything. But I'm really impressed with the price and the quality they are giving, and it's completely matte, so you don't have to worry about. It's beautiful matte lipstick. So if you are looking for something affordable and matte, then I think you should go for this. So that's it for today's video. I hope कि आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, and अगर आपको अच्छा लगा then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have any feedback or you just want to say hi. That's also good. And yeah, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Bye bye.